We are GPS and Track, and this is a cool story. $130,000 excavator. This is an excavator. Massive piece of equipment, stolen, recovered with GPS tracking. And what's kind of cool is it was being hidden in sort of this backyard, and there was a tarp over it. And the police officer, because they knew the exact location because of GPS tracking, was able to climb a tree, spot it, gave them enough for probable cause. They didn't need to get a search warrant, arrested a couple of guys. This is a massive piece of equipment, but this happens daily. We do recovery every single day. And people get cameras, locks, alarms, and once that's bypassed, it's gone. It doesn't matter if it's a boat, it doesn't matter if it's a car, skid steer, loader, trailer, whatever. This is where GPS tracking comes in. Think about it. When you're sending a pin to somebody on your phone, give them your location, that's what this is doing. It's like, I don't know where I'm at, but here's my location. Call the police. Come save me. This is the power of GPS tracking. This is the device. 5-year battery life. This is our best seller. Not many large companies trying to track your equipment, your assets, learn about this GPS tracker. You can click the link, but this is an awesome story, and it's just how great GPS tracking is.